Hey guys, it's Sue Cranko here today. Welcome back to another video. Welcome to Sue's Dumpster. Today I am unboxing Nyrelle Busby's package. I think this is like Christmas or birthday. I'm not sure. And honestly, I don't care because Nyrelle's packages are always like really scary. So I predict that I will be dead by the end of this video because she always sends like crazy art to him. I'm like, no, don't do this to me. But yeah, anyway, so I'll go show the backside. There's really nothing except for our addresses. But look at these really cute washi tape owls. Like, oh my gosh, they're so adorable. I think she gets her washi tape from Dollar Tree. Not too sure, but I'm like, where's my cute washi tape, Dollar Tree? Where is it? So anyways, let's get started. I am not gonna attempt to like cut through all that tape because, you know, I hate tape, even though I tape up my packages like crazy now because I'm like super scared that everything's gonna fall out. But still, oh, okay, I feel stuff and I'm like, I need to find the note. Oh, I want to move that. Do I feel, oh, okay, I think I feel the note. Oh gosh, oh, okay, they're all packaged. Oh, okay, it's just like one package. Yeah, okay. The note is right here. Oh, cute. She used some more washi tape. Oh, I don't want to rip this. It's ripping. I'm so bad at this. Okay, this is birthday package. I see, happy birthday. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I failed. I'm gonna like get the washi tape off the note afterwards, but I just feel like reading this. Happy late birthday. You're not that late, like a week. It's not that bad. I hope you had a great one. I'm still late on your Xmas gift too. Oops. But I guess expect something else in the mail. Wait, what? No. Your package killed me and I have not what does that say? Recovered. But thank you for all the gifts. I hope you like the stuff I sent. Love, Nyrelle. Wait, this isn't like come back. Oh no, I'm scared now. Nyrelle, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. What did I do to you? So scared, honestly. But this is actually like kind of interesting because, ooh, I don't think you've ever done like this packaging style. Like, oh my god, I am failing. Okay, I think I might just rip. Oh, yeah, okay. We're just gonna rip this and attempt to preserve the blue tissue paper so I can reuse that, but this pink one is dead. It's dead to me. I might be able to like cut it and then use it. Oh gosh. We're just gonna end the video right here. I saw my boy. I saw my boy. Wait, what is... Oh gosh. Okay, I already saw him, so it's Todoroki! Oh, Nyrelle, you made a Todoroki for me! Oh my god, look at how beautiful he is! I don't think I'm taking him out of the plastic. Like, I'm so scared that I'm gonna ruin him with my oily hands. But look how beautiful he looks. Oh my gosh. The moment I saw his hair, I was like, oh, that's Todoroki. And it was! Because I love my boy so much. I love Flamey Hot Boy. He's adorable. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, thank you so much. You should have just given me this. And I'd just be like, dead. Because he's so cute. Look at her sexy mens, okay? Everyone go sub to her. Like, literally, link is going to be in the description box. If you don't, I'm coming after you. And, oh, it's her male persona. Oh my gosh, is this a sticker from Sticker Mule? Oh my gosh, it's really nice. I think his name was Mamoru. I have a feeling it was, but I can't remember. I'm like, this is really bad because I literally like watched the vlog where she created this sticker like 2 days ago and I already forget his name. Like, this is so bad. But I think it's Mamoru, but I'm pretty sure this is her male persona, which is adorable. Look how cute he is. I want to put him on my sketchbook, but also at the same time I'm like, do I really want to do that? Like, what if my sketchbook gets lost and I lose the sticker too? I don't know, but he is adorable, and dang, Sticker Mule has nice quality stickers. Ooh, goodies. Okay, that evil cat face right there is making me really scared. Like, oh gosh. Ooh, this is nice washi tape. I'm sorry. Washi tape just like makes me happy. And I'm like, I would kill for pretty washi tape because I don't know why. I just really like washi tape. Oh gosh, and I'm ripping the washi tape. Ooh, okay, what is it? Oh gosh, oh no, oh no. Okay, we're just gonna do this one first. Is it Uriel? Oh no, it's not, it's this picture though. Oh my god, I love this. Oh, he's so pretty. It's Victor and Yuri. Oh my gosh, I love this like whole scene where they had in was it Barcelona, I think? It was so pretty. I was like, oh my gosh, they're all so cute. Look at Yuri. Oh my gosh. This is like going on my wall. I'm like, no shame, because I don't know. I have like a little section for Yuri on my wall because I have no shame. Oh boy, and okay, what's this? Are these stickers? 3, 2, 1. Oh, some more stickers! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's her other. Oh, okay. I am failing real bad. Oh my gosh! It's Aiko, I think, right? Oh my gosh, she's so cute! Oh, that's adorable. I think this was also by Sticker Mule, and then these two are Shutterfly. It is Deku and Todoroki. Ah, it's my boys. They're my babies. Oh my gosh, I love him so much. Oh, thank you, Nyrelle. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. Why did you send me more stuff? Oh gosh. Okay, what is this? 3, 2, 1. It's Todoroki! Oh my gosh, he sent me a Todoroki keychain! Oh my gosh, okay, I have to like take this out because Todoroki is adorable and I love him. And oh my gosh, this is what it looks like. I think there's plastic on here that you can take off to like preserve the keychain, acrylic or something, which I'm not gonna try, but oh, it's my boy! Oh my gosh, thank you so much! He is adorable! Like, oh my gosh. Nyrelle, why did you do this to me? I think that's it, right? Yeah, that's it. Oh, thank God, that's it. Because, this is, like, more than enough to kill me 10 times. And, please don't send me more stuff because just spare my life, please. It's not right to kill your youngsters, okay? Okay, Nyrelle, it's fine if I kill you, but it's not okay if you kill me. But yeah, oh my god, thank you so much, Nyrelle. This is like so much, and I was not like expecting anything. And this Todoroki, I think, is my favorite because he just oh my gosh, your style in Todoroki is like just hot. No shame. But yeah, anyways, here's what she gave me. There's that. There's adorable stickers I really want to stick on my sketchbook, and I probably am. Maybe like a little closer to after I finish my sketchbook, so I could guarantee that I didn't lose them. And then there's this really cute Yuri on Ice postcard, and I'm like, oh my gosh, the paper is so nice. Like, it's like this velvety matte texture, like, oh my gosh. And there's a cute little Todoroki keychain. Oh, thank you so much, Nyrelle. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Nyrelle. Everyone, go sub to her because she is amazing. Like, come on, sub for amazing Artsu. Come on. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed all the squealing and dying, but yeah, I'm still gonna die for this, like, off camera, but yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you made it here, kudos to you for actually sparing your ears and stuff, but I don't know. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!